What's up? It's Jacob from Adelante Digital here to tell you about our AI employees. Now, are these literal robots performing tasks behind a computer? No. They are software programs, and the back end looks kind of like this. What they do is use SMS, social media DMs, chat widgets, and even phone calls to interact with your leads and clients as part of an all-in-one marketing and business management software platform.
We can train these bots to answer basic questions, filter incoming leads, book appointments on your calendar, and in some cases, actually close sales. Paying a human employee to do these tasks, even at minimum wage for 40 hours a week, would cost you $1,760 every month, not to mention the other human expenses like training, breaks, absences, benefits, taxes, etc. Human employees can get expensive quick. And how much business are you missing out on from messages that come in after your office hours or in the middle of the night? So instead of paying nearly $2,000 for an employee who only works 1/3 of the day, our AI systems can give you the same appointment scheduling and customer service without paying for training, the breaks, the absences, or the insurance.
So again, instead of paying nearly $2,000 a month for an employee who only works 1/3 of the day, you can get virtually the same level of service around the clock 365 for as little as $97 a month. Businesses that used our AI appointment setter and reminder system saw a 30% higher show rate to their appointments.
If you'd like a personalized demonstration of our bots in action, just hit book now right below, and I'll talk to you soon.